Hi everyone, my name is Gokul and today I'm going to show you how to create a bootable Windows 11 USB drive. So let's get started. First, connect your USB drive to your computer and make sure it has at least 8 GB of free space. Then click on the link in the description below. This will take you to the Windows 11 download page. Once you're there, click on this download now button. This will download the media creation tool for Windows 11. Once the download is complete, open the media creation tool. Then you will be prompted with the user account control screen. Click yes. After that, you will see a window like this. Now click on accept. You will then be asked to choose the language and edition. If you don't like the recommended options, uncheck this box and select your preferred language and edition. After that, click next. You will then be asked to choose which media to use. Select USB flash drive, then click next. After that, you will be asked to select your USB drive from the list of available drives. Make sure you select the correct one as all data on the drive will be erased. Once you have selected your drive, click on next. The media creation tool will then start downloading the Windows 11 installation files. This process may take some time depending on your internet speed, so please be patient. Once the download is complete, the tool will automatically create a bootable USB drive. Do not remove the USB drive until the whole process is complete. When the process is finished, you will see a message saying your USB flash drive is ready. Then click on the finish button and that's it. Now you can use this USB drive to install Windows 11 on any compatible computer.